Hi everybody from Little Champs. We're happy to share our science experience with you.
We are. What is up, everyone? With spring approaching, we thought it would be fun to try and see how plants survive. So Colton is showing us a white mum. And we've picked out some colors. We'll go through them. Colton, what colors do you have?
Blue and green.
Camden?
Green and yellow.
Okay, and Blake, what colors do you have?
Pink.
And what other color do you have?
Purple.
Purple. And then we actually have this cup right here. We're not going to put any food coloring in it because we want to see what happens if we just feed the plant water. So what do you think, guys? What are your guesses as to what's going to happen if we put our plants in the water with the food coloring? Colton, what do you think?
I don't know. I think they're gonna drink the water. I think they're gonna turn whatever color we put in.
Camden, what do you think?
I think they're gonna survive.
Yeah. And Blake, what do you think? Okay, why don't we go ahead and open up our lids and go ahead and add our colors.
Yep.
Probably 3 drops is good.
Okay.
Camden's got the green.
1, 2.
Blake has a lot of pink.
Oh,
Oh boy. For you other champs out there, we've got Blake is our 3-year-old brother, and he sure does everything extra. Oh boy. We've got, let me show you how much fun Blake's having with his pink. Blake, let me see your hands.
Oh.
Okay, so we have what color, Blake?
Pink, purple,
Purple and
pink.
And then Cam.
Nothing.
That's the orange.
this is the orange or yellow.
Oh, we thought it was yellow. I guess it's orange. Or we're not sure. We'll find out tomorrow.
How is it not dropping?
Here's our control.
It's yellow.
So it's just clear water. And then we've got our regular green,
No, like this.
our neon green,
Like that.
and our blue. All right, boys, why don't you
Like
go
that.
ahead and
No, put it
put
in
your
this one.
flowers in.
Put it in this one.
I had a 14 kid.
No. You put the stem side in first, bud.
Yep.
And we're gonna see. If
So our theory is if plants drink water to survive, will they soak up the color and the water at the same time?
Mom, it took the leaf.
It's okay.
All right. Put that
So if you think that
like this.
we are going to wake up tomorrow and have colorful flowers, give us a big like. If you think our flowers are going to stay the same, comment below and say, go white. And we're Spartan fans. So we say,
White.
go green, go white, right?
And
So
subscribe to our channel.
yes. And after subscribing, we will show you what our results are tomorrow.
Bye, little champs.